Hi, everybody. This is just a quick ABC to-do list tutorial, and I have a very busy week this week, and I've been kind of waiting for to have a really busy week where I'm like really stressed and overwhelmed because that's when I really start using the ABC to-do list. I always have a to-do list going, and I mean always. Like in addition to my day planner, I always have just a little book with me that I keep a running list of things I have to do. And the way that I do it is I create a list like this one. So you can see I've got everything numbered here. Now, I normally do this on a piece of paper, but I thought, this will be better if I actually just type it in and show you how I do it in a printed format so you don't have to look at my like ugly handwriting and stuff. Because a lot of times when I'm writing this stuff down, it's pretty quick. But I like having my little book with me when I'm at work or school or whatever, so that way if something comes up, I can kind of put it in. This is different from my day planner, so I don't do this in my day planner space. Like my day planner is for appointments and for when I'm going to get things done. This is a list of literally all the things I need to get done and stay on top of. Okay, so let's go through what I have to do and then we'll go through the ABC part. So, number one, I got to finish my taxes. Number two, I have an interview today. Number three, I've got photos I need to edit for my newsletter. And I probably should add this. I need to actually write the content for my newsletter. My newsletter doesn't go out until the 5th of April, but I'm going to be pretty busy, and so I really need to think ahead. So if I write the content part, at least that's something else that's done. So when the 5th comes, it's not like so overwhelming. I also need to grade some homework for my 14-week Guidance 507 class. These are the assignments that I need to grade. I think I still have grading for my other class too, but I think it's just one more assignment. And I think it is the meet and greet. They just started that, so I'm gonna put that in there. And I like to kind of put which assignments I need to grade because then I can sort of cross them off as I go. I don't know how to do strike throughs on Google Docs because I'm in here, so I'm gonna have to learn that while I'm here. So bear with me. Running a storage container, I literally have to run a storage container out in the valley. I'm moving to Reseda this week, and so I'm in Rancho Cucamonga now, and so I'm moving from a one-bedroom apartment into a room in one of my friends' houses, so that way I can kind of save up some money. I feel like they kept raising my rent in Rancho, and it just got to be too much. So now that's something I really have to do. I also need to buy some wardrobe boxes because I'm not going to be able to fit all my clothes into the closet space that I have in the room that I'm going to be moving into. So I'm going to put some of my clothes in storage. And this is temporary, so it won't be for very long. It'll be 6 months, something like that. And then I will find another place and I'll go get all my stuff out of storage and move. Okay, so then number nine, post week 8 for Guidance 507. So I need to post the material and the assignments for that week. And then number 10, I got to do that post week 3 for my Guidance 8-week class. Then I need to post an announcement. I have an office hour coming up. So I need to do that. And for one of my classes, it's an office hour for their drop deadline. And the other one is a welcome because we just started the class. Number 12, I got to pack all my stuff. I'm about halfway through, but this is something that, is going to consume me. And just putting pack to move is kind of like, okay. But when I'm done with that, I'll feel really good. And then I also am selling some of my makeup that I don't need because I'm going to be moving somewhere smaller. So I sold something, so I need to mail that out today. And then loan consolidation, I don't know, student loans are crazy. So while I'm here, I might as well tell you guys take out as few student loans as possible. I have my PhD, but I also have a lot of student loans I have to pay off. And right now, they want me to pay a payment that's like ridiculous. That's like $3,000 a month or something. And I'm just like, okay, I don't have that. So I need to do this loan consolidation thing in order to get my payment down to something I can actually pay. But that is something that I'm probably not going to do today, right? Okay, then I need to pick up my dry cleaning. This is something I've been putting off for quite a while, and I do move on Sunday, and it is, what day is it today? Thursday, so I need to get that together. So let's go through this. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here to the text color, wonder if this is strike through. I don't know. But we'll go to text color. I'm going to choose red for A. Okay. So A's are things that I need to get done today. So finishing my taxes, I have till the 15th of April. It's March 30th. I've already started working on it and I'm actually almost done. There's just a few things that I still need to follow up on before I can finish. So that is not an urgent situation right now. My interview today. Now, this is interesting because I am going to take care of this today, but I actually took a job with another company this morning. I decided to just accept their job offer. So I'm actually not going to go on this interview. And instead of this, I'm going to change this to write email to Caesar because I'm not going to attend that interview. Okay, so that's A, as in I'm going to do that today. Edit photos for newsletter. Okay, so I don't think I'm going to do it today, but maybe. So we'll come back to that one. I'm going to go ahead and put in A because I would love to see myself get that done today. I don't like how Google Docs, you got to like literally push this every single time. Okay. Write the content for my newsletter. I'm definitely not doing that today. Grading guidance 50714 week. I am going to do this today because I like to knock all of this sort of work out before the deadline. I like to do it before Friday, as you guys know. So we're going to go ahead and do that as an A. Grading guidance 507 week. I've only got one to grade. I think I'm going to try to handle that as well today. Rent a storage container. I am definitely doing this today. I got to make some phone calls to do it, but I'm willing to do that. Buy wardrobe boxes. I am going to try to do this today as well. I could do it tomorrow as well. We'll see how that goes. I am going to go out when I mail that Wayne Goss package. So, okay, post week 8 guidance 507. I don't think I'm going to do that today, and I don't think I'm going to post week 3 either. Post announcement for office hour. I'm probably not going to do that today either. 12, pack to move. Well, I am going to work on this today. I don't know if I'm going to finish it today, but we'll put A. All right, and I'm going to mail out the Wayne Goss palette. That's something that I will make money on, so the sooner I get it out, the sooner I make money. Loan consolidation, definitely not doing that today. Pick up dry cleaning. I could do this today. I am going to be running errands. I am going to be in that area. I do have enough money to do it, so let's put A. Okay, so let's look over my day. Dang, I got a lot to do. So I got to write email to Caesar. I got to edit photos for newsletter. I've got to do some grading. And truth be told, I've already done some. I've graded goals. I've graded paper toss, but I'm still working on time quadrants. And this one I have left. So I've got 3 assignments left. No, I got 2 assignments left. Rent a storage container. Whew. Buy wardrobe boxes. I'm going to have to go to probably a storage place to get those. Pack to move. Mail out the Wayne Goss palette and pick up dry cleaning. It sounds like a lot, but I think it's doable. All right, so let's go to B's. So I'm going to choose blue for B's. I think this blue looks good. And for finished taxes, this is tomorrow. So like B's are tomorrow. So A's are I'm going to do it today. B's are tomorrow. Okay, so I'm going to go through and I'm going to say I'm definitely doing this today. The editing photos for newsletter is probably going to be like a if I have time thing. So I'm going to choose A or B for that one. Writing the content for the newsletter, I'm definitely not going to, maybe I'll do it tomorrow. I'll put a B here for tomorrow. Let's do that. Okay. This is going to be done. This is going to be done. That's going to be done. That's going to be done. I may put an A/B next to this wardrobe boxes because if I can't find them today, if I go to one storage place and they don't have it, I'm probably not going to go to another one until tomorrow. So that's why I'm putting that. Posting week 8. Yes, I'm going to try to do that tomorrow because it would be great if I could get it done before Friday and not have to worry about it over the weekend while I'm trying to move. I also think I'm going to do this tomorrow as well, this post 3-week guidance. Post week 3 for guidance. Post announcements. Might as well, since I'm going to be in there anyway doing that work tomorrow, I think I'm going to go ahead and do a reminder for the office hour on Friday because then that gives you guys a few days. Pack to move. Definitely, this is going to probably take me through tomorrow as well. So I'm going to also put a B here. This should already be done, and this should already be done. Okay, so now I have my A's and B's. So let's go to C. So C's, I'm gonna choose. Let's do green for C. So actually, maybe not green. Let's do. I mean, you could do whatever color you want. It's just for me. Maybe orange. Okay, so finish taxes will be a C. I mean, I'm probably going to do it next week. Oh, and I just realized I have another important item I need to add here. So besides picking my dry cleaning, so I just accepted a job. So I need to sign the job offer and then complete onboarding process for a new job. Okay, so the signing the job offer, I'm going to do that today. And I'm glad I remembered this. And that's why I like doing this to-do list, because sometimes as I'm doing it, I'm like, oh yeah. And the onboarding process for the new job, I'm going to put as a B here because I know I'm not going to be able to get to it today. But I can sign a paper and get it back to them, right? To accept the job. All right, so now we're back to C's up here. Now that I'm done remembering that. Okay, so my next C is, what else have I not? Okay, finish taxes, email to Caesar. Oh, here we go. Loan consolidation is definitely a C situation. Uh-oh. I wonder why it does that. I don't use Google Docs for everything. I use it for some things, right? And I'm going to add a C here because I know I'm probably not going to get the complete onboarding process done. It's going to get pushed off a little bit too. And I'm going to look and see if there's anything else like that. So write content for the newsletter. I may turn this into a C as well. And you see how I'm doing this. It's like some of these things may be an A or a B, sometimes they're B or C. So that could kind of tell me, oh, okay, I need to get going on this. So once I have everything the way I want it, which it looks like I do. So I've got my A, B's, and C's. So C's are things that you can do later in the week or you can push off a little bit, but you just got to make sure that eventually they become a priority. You can't just keep something at C for weeks on end. I've had this dry cleaning one on here for a long time because honestly, I could not afford to go pick up my dry cleaning because it's like $85. And I was having some cash flow problems. So, because I'm in the process of moving and everything's so expensive. So today it's like, oh, I got paid. I have my money. So I should go do that while I have the money and I'm still here in Rancho. Because once I move, like it's going to be tough to come back and pick it up then. So, yeah. So we've got all the A, B's, and C's in place. So now I need to go through and figure out, okay, which things am I going to do first, second, and third? And so I think like with this, and sometimes I'll just write it right out of here, but what I like to do is go to my daily agenda, like in my day planner, and try to just figure out what order I'm going to do this stuff in. So it looks like my A's, I've got writing this email, I've got grading, I've got buying wardrobe boxes and renting a storage container, I've got packing, I've got mailing out a pallet and picking up dry cleaning and signing a job offer. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do number 2 first. And actually, I think I've already done this. I already did email him. I just have this on here because it's part of the example. Now I'm going to just go up here to help and get some help on how to do a strike through. Yeah. It says Command Shift X. Okay. Command Shift X. So I'm going to go to this one. We're going to try it. Command Shift X. Cool. All right, so I have already done that one. Let's see if there's anything else I've already completed. So I did grading already. I graded this goals one. Command Shift X. Oh yeah, I did paper toss. Command Shift X. Cool. I still have time quadrants. What else? Let's see. Yeah. Okay. So what do I want to do next? So I think I'm going to start by finishing my grading. So I'm going to grade this time quadrants thing. I'm going to grade this meet and greet thing. And then I'm going to, so let me go ahead and write some numbers next to these. So we're going to write A1, A2. Okay. Then I'm going to probably go down to signing this job offer, A3. Then I'm going to work on running a storage container, A4, because these are all things I could do from home or just kind of chill. Um, okay, then I'm going to go to the Wayne Goss palette, will be A5. We'll mail that out. And then I will go by and pick up my dry cleaning. And then I will go pick up wardrobe boxes. And then I will pack. If I have time, I will edit photos for my newsletter. Okay, that looks pretty good. So now I have my whole day planned. So all I have to, and honestly, perfect world, I do this the night before. So when I wake up, I already have a plan. Of course, things sometimes have to get adjusted, which is fine. I do not mind adjusting my schedule, especially even if it's on the go or on the fly, because sometimes things do come up, right? So you can absolutely change things and do what you need to do. But then as I go through this list throughout the day, I will be crossing more stuff out. So that's it. I just wanted to do a quick tutorial because I've been meaning to do this for a long time. Finally got to it. So happy to give you this information and put it in a way that hopefully is useful to you. And this is really truly my life and how I do things and what helps me the most. You can try it and see if it works for you. It may not work for you the way that it works for me, but hey, why don't you try it and find out? All right, that's it. I'll see you guys later. Bye.